Welcome back to our channel. Today we will be discussing the benefits of using a vitamin C face serum. Vitamin C face serums help to brighten the skin and improve overall complexion. They are effective at reducing the appearance of dark spots and hyperpigmentation. Regular use of vitamin C face serums boosts collagen production, which can help to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Vitamin C serums have antioxidant properties that protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals. Using a vitamin C face serum can help to reduce inflammation and redness, making it ideal for those with sensitive skin. These serums improve skin texture, leaving it with a smooth and even surface. Vitamin C face serums promote a healthy glow and radiance, giving your skin a more youthful appearance. They help to improve the effectiveness of other skincare products by enhancing their absorption into the skin. Vitamin C serums can also help to defend against sun damage and prevent the formation of new sunspots. And finally, using a vitamin C face serum can help to even out skin tone and reduce the appearance of acne scars. Thank you for watching. Hope this was informative and be plant strong. Subscribe for more.